Hello, my name's Cole, and I worked with Abhishek and Samuel on our group project for MBA 625. Our group will be analyzing data on office supply sales. The data is currently grouped by order date, stating the representative that placed the order, the quantity ordered, and the item ordered. So we aim to present the data in a more easily understood and readable manner to our audience. In order to achieve this, we have identified key concepts and models that we aim to use to present our data to our core audience, and those include frequency and probability analysis, pivot tables, Tableau data visualization and interpretation, regression, and basic statistical analysis. So I first wanted to take a look at the raw data and just run some basic statistical calculations such as total or sum, minimum value, maximum value, and average. I calculated these four metrics in Excel and determined results for units, total dollars, and unit cost. On the right of the data set, you'll see each result for the given category looking specifically at the averages. I think that will be a good basis to look at right now. So you'll see that the average for units is 49.33 units. The average for total dollars is 456 and 46 cents. And then the average for unit cost is $20.31. Next, I ran regression analysis in Excel for the raw data. And in terms of key regression results, I determined that there is a relation between total cost and unit cost. When there is an increase in unit cost, then the total cost will also increase based on the number of units. And this is shown in the scatter plot on this page of PowerPoint. You'll see that most of the points show positive correlation. There's a few that stray a little bit more north, but generally the correlation is positive and goes in more of a straight, slightly upward line. And to further prove that the positive correlation exists, the multiple R value is also positive.
Hello. So in this slide, we are looking at the frequency of items ordered, the regions that ordered which items the most and least, and the representatives used. Firstly, we can see from the first table that the item that was ordered the most was binders with a frequency of 15 orders, followed by pencils with a frequency of 13. The least ordered item was desks with a frequency of 3. When looking at probability, in the whole year, the probability that an order comes in for binders was 34%. The second table shows a visual output of how the data looks in the pivot table, organized by number of units and region. The third table shows units purchased by items and region. We can see from this that the central regions purchase the most binders, pen sets, and pencils, whilst the western region purchased the least items in total. The last table shows the number of times a specific representative was used. Out of the 11 different representatives, Jones was used the most with a frequency of 8 times, and Thompson and Howard were tied for the least used representatives with a total number of 2 times used.
So now we'll be looking at tablet data representation visualization. about the regional sales by the representatives and items. So here we can see there are three regions where the office supplies were being sold. So central region has the highest sales, highest revenue by quantum, and the west has the lowest. And here we are able to see in which region, which representative performed how much. So in central region, the highest sales was by Kivel, and the east region, the highest sales were by Parent, and the west region, the highest sales were Sorvino. So we can assess the representatives by region and overall. Here we are able to see how much sales of each product has been in every region. So as we can see, in central region, the binder was the highest, sales 429, sorry, 498, the pencils. And in east region, there was binder, which was 234. And in west region, that was the highest in pencil again, 88. So overall, if we see in the regions, binder was sold the highest in central region. Pencil was sold again the highest in central region compared to all regions. Here we are able to see the regional itemized revenue. So what is the total revenue by each product? So we can see again the number of units sold versus almost the pencil is the highest revenue generator in central. Again, binder is the highest revenue generator in east region, and pencil is the highest revenue generator in west region. West region. So regional itemized unit sales by representative is again, so the this chart shows us which representative has sold what product the highest in which region. So in central region, the highest is 155 units by Andrews, and the lowest is Smith. He sold 2 desks. And in East region, the highest is again Jones. He sold highest number of pencils, and the lowest is again Parent. He sold 15 pens. And in West region, the highest is pen again 76. So Sorvino, and the lowest is desk by Sorvino again. So in this chart, we are able to see the itemized revenue by representative, how much revenue they were able to generate in each product. So Andrew sold 299 revenue. Then there was 1934 as Jardines, which he sold $1,934 worth of binder. And again, in the East region, Howard has sold 58 dollars worth of binder, and Parent has sold $1,619 worth of binder again. And in West region, the lowest is Sorvino, $151 worth of pen, and the highest is Thompson, $1,139 worth of binder. Thank you for listening to the presentation. Have a great day.